lava lamps.
You need 4 simple ingredients.
Vegetable oil, water, food coloring.
And fizz tabs. And no, these are not candy. Do not eat them.
Our cousin TJ is going to be our adult helper.
For the vegetable oil.
Then you add the water.
Right.
Hope this works.
I do too.
I do too.
Oh, well, that looks pretty cool.
Yeah, look at the bottom.
And now you add the food coloring.
Not so much. Couple drops at a time. That's good. Okay, who's gonna do red?
Give it to Mila.
There's also a red.
Nick said that he wanted to do both.
Okay.
Me too.
I'll do both. Okay, this video is gonna be messy.
It's fine.
I take this. No. No, I take this one. Gotten me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
Fine.
Okay, that's good, Nick. Pass it on.
All right, Mila.
Leave the cat.
Leave the caps off.
Oh, okay.
Let Mila do hers.
Okay. here's
Johnny, you
red.
can start putting yours in while you're waiting for Mila.
Guys, make sure you like and subscribe for more of these type of videos.
She can't see.
Hey, Mila, do you want me to help you?
I can do it.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, that's
Now
good.
let her do the other color. Jonna, put yours in.
All right, Mila. Are you gonna do red? Okay, now for the last part, you add fizz tabs.
Wait, look at your the bottom.
It works!
I'm not ready.
Yo!
Whoa.
That's really cool.
Yo!
Jonna's still doing hers.
It works!
That's pretty
I
cool.
don't know what that looks like.
It's a lava lamp. Look
I
at it.
know. I
Let's
just
see,
don't know.
here's
what it looks
Mila's
like. They almost all look the same.
and Nick's.
Mine, what does it look like? Mine looks like it's like an octopus. Like, this experiment was really cool. If you guys want to try it at home, then you guys can try it.
Make sure you like
And subscribe.
and put on notification bell so you always get notified after every video.
And remember
Bye.
to always stay hype.
Hype!
Bye. Bye.
I will fly.